what did we see last session? What did we study?
We study verb to be.
Yes, very good. So we studied. Yes, speak. What did we say about this verb?
Present simple.
Yes, good. So present simple. Okay? So دلنا على affirmative, good. Affirmative or negative or yes, very good. Interrogative. Interrogative. Okay? Conjugate the verb be into in the interrogative form. شرف. You conjugate the verb be in the interrogative form. Simple present. Okay? شنو هي interrogative؟ شنو هي الانتروغاتيف؟ عندنا بوين دانتروغاسيون سؤال. اوكي؟ هنا نيجاتيف عندنا شنو عندنا نيجاتيف؟ نوت. اوكي؟ نيجيشن. نوت كتسمى نيجيشن نفي. اوكي؟ هذه the sentence finishes with a full stop. صافي؟ هذا هو الفرق بيناتهم الثلاثة. اوكي؟ So what shall we say in the interrogative form with verb be? What shall Yes, very good. Am I question? Okay? So am I a student? Am I a Okay, so what do you have in your school bag? What do you have in your school bag? شنو اللي تسمى؟
Book.
Very good. A book. Good. A book. Okay? What else? سموا الدفتر اللي عندك. دفتر. So دفتر is a copy book. صافي؟ يا إما كنقولوا copy book ولا notebook. صافي؟ So you have yes pens. Pens. Which pens do you have? What color? Black. Excellent. Very good. What do you have in your bag? Bravo. I have. What do you have?
Pencil caps.
Pencil. Pencil. شنو? Pencil case. Okay. Pencil case. Pencil case. Yes. Very good. So pencil case is the thing that we put pens in. اللي كنحطوا فيها البنز. So you have copybook. Good. What else? That's all. You have a marker. You have some pens. What colors do you have? Yes. What color?
Black.
Black. Very good.
Blue.
Very good.
Green.
Very good.
And
Yes. Okay. So you have black, blue, red. Okay. Red and green. And you have a marker. You have a yellow marker. So it's yellow. Okay. So today we have a new unit. What's the title of our new unit? What is the title?
of the new unit is what's this?
Excellent. Very good. Excellent. So the title of our new unit is What's This? What do you see in the picture? Number one. In the picture, number one. What's in your bag? So what do we have here? What do we have here? What is this? Yes, a school bag. School bag. Very good. What is this?
Laptop.
Yes. This?
Hairbrush.
Hairbrush. Okay, hairbrush. Sharaf, what is this? What are these? Yes, glasses. Sunglasses. What are these? Keys. Okay, keys. So what do we have here? شنو عندنا آخر في picture? Our picture. شرف؟ شنو عندنا آخر بالنسبة لكم? A camera. A camera. Good. Very good. Yes. Good. A camera. The thing that we put money in. Huh? Wallet. Very good. A wallet. Very good. So the wallet is the thing that we put money in. Good. What do we have? A cell phone. Very good. This is a cell phone. المحمول. Okay. Cell phone. Okay. So can you ask your friend what does he have in his school bag? Ask him. Yes. What do you have in your
bag?
Yes. What do you have in your bag? Answer him.
I have a copybook.
It's a copybook and a pen. A pen. Ask him. Ask him back. وصور صاحبي هدر صاحبي مزيان. Yes. Ask him.
What do you have?
I have a copybook. Pencil case.
Very good.
And
Very good.
And the pens.
Excellent. Pens. Very good. Very good. Check the one that you have in your bag. Yes. نبداو مع يوسف. So what do you have in your bag من هذا? Okay? يلا شي سؤال تما اوكي يس صافي
السيل فون.
cell phone very good where is your cell phone show me your cell phone okay so it's in your bag no okay so احنا كنهضروا على الاشياء اللي عندك في your bag do you have sunglasses
No.
very good do you have an umbrella no good the picture عطينا غير وحده
Pencil case.
yes pencil case very good pencil so can you give me some things we have here in this class
Computers.
computers yes very good good tables how many tables do we have here count what are other things we have here in this class
Phone.
a cell phone very good the cell phone that we are taking a video with good a cell phone tripod كنقولوا tripod بالعربي tripod what are these أشرف what are these the things we work on what do we call them computers very good برافو عليكم so computers no excellent windows very good so windows yes what is this data yes data show انتبهوا data هي المعلومات data هي الانفو ليزانفو المعلومات show هي يعني مثلث العاكس كيبين لنا show yes what do we call these yes very good برافو عليكم markers good yes yeah زيد yes eraser جايه من erase okay يمسحها eraser what is this what do we call this
Blackboard.
it's not black whiteboard very good this is a whiteboard what is this door okay a door okay a rubbish bin very good what do we call this bulb okay what's this okay غديروا school ولا class objects غديروا in Arabic خليهم بلاصه فين نكتبوهم بالعربي yes good lights plug okay plug screen okay screen what you are going to do now you are going to ask each other about class objects can you ask your friend ask him about class objects the objects we have here in the class
What's this?
yes what's this yes what's this
This is a table.
very good this is a this one yes this one what's this
This is a truth bin.
trash bin very good trash bin yalla Sharaf ask him back ask him again another question ask your friend what's this
This light
bulb okay it's a light bulb what is this what's this
This is a marker.
yes very good it's a marker what's this
Whiteboard.
a whiteboard it's a whiteboard what's this it's a bottle okay it's a bottle so Sharaf what's this it's a is this a pencil is this a pencil no it isn't what is this
It is a pen.
yes it's a pen okay يوسف مرة أخرى لا حصلت غادي ننزل عليك على الراس بهذا اللابروس نشق في الكراس eraser yes eraser yeah
Books I am using. It's the interchange series of the intro level which is composed mainly of three books, which are composed of exercises of the lessons you have studied in the student's book, and you have the student's book here with all the lessons included. And of course, if you are a teacher, you'll need a guide to use the book. That's why the teacher's edition exists within this series. If someone needs it, please don't hesitate to contact me via email and I will mail it to you as soon as I can. I forgot to mention that you have also a series of videos that you can download from YouTube and a guidebook to guide you how to use these videos.